Hi guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. If you've been following my channel for a while, you probably know that I love to use glitter in my DIYs. However, there are some things you should avoid when doing this. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 things you never should do when using glitter and clay. The first thing is, don't use clay and glitter that aren't color matched. Unless you want to add layer after layer of glitter on top of your clay, it is best to make sure that your clay and glitter have similar colors. So the clay blends in nicely and you won't be able to see it through the glitter. You obviously don't have to have a 100% match, but even just having somewhat similar color is going to make a big difference and save you a lot of time. But let's move over to the second don't of this video, which is never paint directly on a glitter surface. Although your clay piece will look great at this stage, the surface is extremely uneven. So, painting small details is not only going to be really hard, but it is also likely going to spread out on the surface and leave a not so great result. So to avoid this, just make sure to add a second layer of glaze on top and let it dry before painting on any other details you wish to have. The third don't of this video has some mixed opinions about it, so it's more of a warning. Be careful when adding glitter before baking. Some glitters can burn or end up discoloring the clay, while others might work fine. That's why I personally never add glitter before baking. However, you could experiment to find oven-safe glitters or simply use glitter clay to solve the problem. Number 4 is don't let the glitter get everywhere. It is so annoying when you accidentally spill some glitter and all of a sudden it's on your hands, clothes, furniture, and it is really hard to get rid of. But I do this one little thing to avoid this. Simply cut off the top part of a muffin tin and have it underneath when you are using the glitter. Now the glitter will be collected in it and pouring it back is super easy. And finally, number 5. Don't add the second layer of glaze too soon. As I mentioned earlier, it can be great to seal in the glitter with a layer on top, but if you do this too soon, you'll end up smudging the glitter around, leaving an uneven result. So make sure that you wait until the glaze is fully dried first, which might take longer than usual since the glitter is closed in between the clay and glitter layer. Or, to save time, you can use UV glaze and leave it under UV lamp or in the sunlight to harden. So lastly, just to recap everything I said in this video, to get good results when using glitter and clay, my tips would be to never use clay and glitter that aren't color matched. Don't put paint directly on a glitter surface. Be careful when it comes to glitter and high temperatures. Use a muffin tin to avoid spilling glitter. And don't add the second glaze layer too soon. Instead, here is how I like to add glaze to clay pieces. Use clay that matches the glitter, bake it and let it cool down, add a thin layer of glaze. I like to use UV glaze, pour over the glitter and let it dry completely. Add a second coat of glaze and let that dry. Add any details you might want. Add a final layer on top and let it dry. And just like that, you have a beautiful glittery surface. Of course, you can also use this technique on other surfaces as well. Here I am doing the exact same thing, but on a phone case. And that was all for today's video. I really hope that you guys liked it, and good luck with your glittery DIYs. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!